Can Muslims wear wedding rings on their finger? I've been told it's shirk because it resembles the Christians. Muslim women are allowed to wear rings which are made out of silver and gold. Muslim men can wear rings which are made out of silver but not out of gold. And this is in generally wearing a piece of jewelry in order to beautify yourself. What you're not allowed to do is imitate the kuffar in something which is exclusive and specific to them. So anything which is exclusive to the kuffar, their customs, their religion, their way, then it's not allowed for Muslims to follow them. So with regards to wearing a ring, which symbolizes that you're married, and if you take off that ring, then that shows that you're not married or the marriage has been broken. This is something which is not permitted. Is it shirk? No. Because shirk means ascribing partners to Allah. But what it is, it's haram. And it's imitating the kuffar in that which is exclusive to them. So it's haram to do this, but we don't call this shirk. At the same time, as I mentioned, it's allowed for us to wear rings. And it's allowed for us to wear jewelry generally without imitating the kuffar. So you can wear a ring on any finger, but not a wedding ring, and not with this intention.